Hey guys, uh, you might remember, I don't know what it was, about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago, um, I broke my vise. And this is the old one. I don't have the screw back in it yet, but that one is out. Tried to repair it, had little to no success, but I have an alternative. I've been on the lookout for a new vise. Um, Keeping track of sales and stuff at the local stores. Um, but, as luck would have it, I managed to get one for free. This is the new Vise. Um, this guy is basically a Chinese knockoff of a record Vise. Um, but I'm not picky. You know, look there. I like the fact that it's got the little anvil in the back here, because I do quite often beat on these jaws, and that's not good. So having that there will be a good thing. And it's also got a swivel base on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that. It is a simple process of popping that off. I'm not sure if you can see down in there, but it's basically just taking these off and the whole thing comes apart. But for now it's going to stay. And it should work out well, so I figured I'd give you a look at how I'm going to install this thing. It's going to sit approximately like this, but of course this is going to swivel, so I'll just give you a look at that. It'll swivel to 90 degrees right there, and then it'll be able to swivel back. This is not easy with one hand. It'll swivel back just past 90 on that side. And so hopefully that'll work out. Now I've got my 3 mounting holes already marked. I lost this one again. You see a little pin mark there? So I've got 1, and I've got 2, and I've got 3 up there somewhere. I have to mark that one again. But I'll be back in a second. We'll start. So alrighty. Washer on the top, washer on the bottom. Finger tight. Oh, this one's not quite right, so it's blocking it. I'll be back in just a sec. Alright, I just had to grind away a little defect in the casting. It was sticking up another 1/8 of an inch or so, and I couldn't get the nut on the bolt. So, let me move this a little bit. These bolts are not quite as long as I'd like them. I'm definitely going to have to get 3 new bolts. But They should hold up long enough that I can use this for a little while. All right, that's good. Now I need to tighten them down, so just give me a sec. I'll set up the air and we'll be ready to go. All right. I realize it might be a little hard for you to see this one, but I'll move the vise and I'll show you the other one when I do it. This is forward, okay. All right. Probably not the best thing to do. You should always spin the nut, not the bolt. So we'll do that too. All right, that'll be good enough, at least for now. It's not going anywhere. Lock that up. What I want to do right now is just test the locking ability of these two, because sometimes these guys lock up okay, sometimes they're terrible, but we'll see. See? Yeah. It'll do for now, but it's absolutely not going to work in the future. I'll have to figure something out for that, because I do like the ability to turn this guy. But that's it for now. Once again, shut up. My compressor is just convulsing over there. Once again, you guys have yourselves a good day.